thank you. I've had the thumbs up now, so apparently I'm live. Whatever that, I thought I was live when I got up this morning, but I'm glad I've got a thumbs up to prove it. So, good morning everybody. I'm Councillor Jim O'Boyle from Coventry City Council. I've just got a few words to say this morning as by way of introduction about what's going on really in Coventry and why this is a great place to work and live. I'd also like to thank the team at ZPN for inviting me along today. It's great to see you all here. I think you're in for a great session this morning and talking all things about green transport, and there's no better city to do this than in Coventry. This is the first event in the world to celebrate both the growing e-mobility sector and the innovative technology companies supporting the move to cleaner transport. ZPN Energy Limited is a real leader in this sector and is just one of the city's brilliant innovators working towards a carbon neutral future. I'm always really pleased to talk about Coventry's leading role in the British and world motor industry in the past, in the present, and of course the future. The sector shaped our city of Coventry, providing good skills and good jobs for local people. We were the pioneers in those early days, and we are still at the forefront as we bring in the technologies that will drive the industry in the years to come. The green industrial revolution will once again power the economy, and we and businesses like ZPN are at the heart of it. I'm sure you will get into some business detail later, but I want to give you an overview of the long-term strategies and innovations that will help us further our work in transport whilst reducing the global impact of CO2 emissions and protecting our planet for future generations. Coventry is at the very heart of this and fast developing sector. We are home to famous brands. We have some of the best research and development facilities in the world, 2 leading universities recruiting the best and brightest in a skilled workforce ready to lead the way in the new look motor industry. There's so much good work taking place that will revolutionise transport. It is such an exciting time for the industry. Our council is collaborating with Warwick Manufacturing Group, Transport for West Midlands and Dudley Council to apply innovative research and development in the urban light rail sector. The aim is to create a reliable, environmentally friendly, battery-driven, hop-on, hop-off transport system that will work at a fraction of the cost of a traditional tram. A pioneering world first, Coventry Very Light Rail will operate autonomously at a high frequency to provide a turn up and go service. There will be no unsightly overhead cables and the track will be laid without the need to relocate services. Our team from Coventry are here today with the CVLR driver simulator, so make sure you do give it a try. It's a lifelike glimpse into the near future. CVLR Coventry Very Light Rail we are very, very proud of, and it's something that is happening here in Coventry, and there's nothing else like it anywhere in the world. And I do urge you, if you get the chance, have a go on the simulator just to give an idea of what this will be. But it's not just about the vehicle, it's the track system that is really driving the cost savings here and is the massive innovation that is taking place right here in Coventry. For electric vehicles, we are bidding for more funding, for more on-street charge points. Coventry already has more than any other city in the country outside of London. Our rapid chargers can recharge an electric vehicle in as little as 30 minutes using 100% renewable electricity. But if that's not quick enough, we're even looking into self-charging roads. Western Power Distribution is exploring the feasibility of wireless on-the-go charging for electric vehicles. The study is the first of its kind in the UK and will assess the viability of charging electric vehicles as they are driven by using wireless inductive technology placed under road surfaces. It could encourage more people to take up electric vehicles without the worry over charging points, and could revolutionise as well the HGV industry. Talking of electric vehicles, Coventry is home to the UK Battery Industrialisation Centre, which is a world leader in this sector. The centre is a cutting-edge research facility which enables the scale-up and manufacture of the batteries that power the electric vehicles and autonomous vehicles of the future. There is no other place like this, not just anywhere in the country, anywhere really in the world, and it's centred right here in Coventry. And of course, Coventry is leading the charge for a gigafactory, the West Midlands gigafactory, right here in Coventry. It has the potential to create thousands of new jobs and to power the green transport industrial revolution. And for those from Coventry or the West Midlands, and I hope you all are, may have heard or seen lots of rumours about potential gigafactories and companies and all the rest of it. Take it from me, this is a real live piece of work at the moment, and I'm very confident an announcement will be made in the not too distant future. We're in conversation with 6 world leading battery manufacturers to locate right here in Coventry, and that is really, really important. So forget all the fluff that you hear or read or see. We are at the heart of what we need to do here. In the UK, demand for electric vehicle battery manufacturing capacity is expected to reach 200 gigawatts by 2040, and by then the automotive industry could employ 170,000 people in electric vehicle manufacturing, 35,000 in gigafactories and 65,000 in the battery supply chain. This gives us all a sense of the challenge and of course of the prize, and it's why we are already developing an excellent skills pipeline for jobs linked to electric vehicles. We supported Coventry College to secure £1.8 million of investment to build a state-of-the-art Charge Your Future training centre. This is already providing training in electric vehicle repair and electric charge point installation and maintenance. In the world of connected and autonomous vehicles, Coventry is also in the driving seat. We are part of UK Autodrive, a £19 million 3-year project bringing together 12 private, public and university partners to develop and deploy driverless technologies on the streets of Coventry, Warwickshire and Milton Keynes. We're also increasing our own council fleet of electric bin lorries and other vehicles. In public transport, our city has been awarded £50 million to fund all electric buses. And if you're out and about in the city, look out for them because they're already on a number of routes around the city. And by 2025, our whole fleet of buses in the city will be all electric, the only place in the UK to have that accolade. The project aims to improve air quality, lower greenhouse gas and reduce the costs of running buses. The electric buses will also provide a more comfortable passenger experience which will help to boost the number of users. And if you prefer life on 2 wheels, we're going all out for A-star rated routes, fully segregated and already supporting more people to take to 2 environmentally friendly wheels. We know if we put in the infrastructure where people feel safe, they may make a different choice to go in less than 2 miles. Most journeys in Coventry and cities like this are less than 2 miles. The question we always ask is, do you need to jump into your car? Do I need to jump into my car? If I've got an alternative, I may take the alternative. And we know if we give people a choice, they often make the right choice. And that's important. It's not about doing away with the car. It's about giving people different choices. Recently, Coventry welcomed Air One, the world's first airport for electric aircraft, including air taxis and autonomous delivery drones. The winner of the government's Future Flight Challenge, Air One is a fully operational hub for future electric vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft, with the potential to holistically decarbonise transport, reduce congestion and air pollution. And we know how important trains are to our future. That's why you'll see the results of massive investment in our railway station. As well as increasing capacity and making life better for rail customers, we are making it a hub for onward green travel, including public transport, walkways and cycle paths, helping people to reach our city in an easy, carbon-free way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a very quick tour of some of the exciting things happening right now in Coventry. Autonomous vehicles, electric batteries, roads that power your car as you drive. They do sound pretty fantastic and futuristic, but they are no longer incredible ideas from the world of science fiction. They are a reality, and we must make them a part of our cities. Without them, the industry our city loves would wither and die. More importantly, so will the planet. Climate change is here and it's not going away. It's up to us all to tackle it, and the time to take that action is now. We want Coventry to be the centre of manufacturing, of research and design, and we want to attract and retain companies that will bring jobs and prosperity to our residents. We already have a dynamic and innovative cluster, as this event today proves. This sector will support the city's economy, the region's economy, and indeed the country's economy. It will create and secure jobs, but it will also ensure Coventry is a healthy, clean and green city that gives a good quality of life to our residents. To help that, we are determined to pioneer this next stage of the transport industry. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell you why our city is so passionate about the new sustainable transport industry. And thank you again to ZPN. In fact, somebody in my office, I asked them yesterday, I said, what time do I need to be at ZPN? And they looked at me and said, ZPN. Anyway, I sent him home for further lessons in how to pronounce companies in Coventry, and ordered him to give up his Netflix subscription. ZPN, for inviting me along. I wish you a happy and productive event, and good luck for the future. Thank you very much.